Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your iPhone so the beta install goes smoothly. Backup now, iCloud or Finder. Because betas can be unpredictable, make sure you have enough free space and battery above 50%. Next, enroll in the developer or public beta program and download the iOS 26 beta profile directly to your device. Once the profile is installed, go to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management, and trust the profile. Then restart your phone to apply the configuration before moving to the install step. You now download and install the beta. Open Settings right arrow General right arrow Software Update, and you should see iOS 26 available. Tap Download and Install. While downloading, confirm you have sufficient storage and accept Apple's terms. Enter your passcode when prompted. Once the download finishes, the installer will prepare and reboot the device. This can take 10 to 30 minutes depending on your connection and hardware. Make sure to keep the phone connected to Wi-Fi and a charger, and do not interrupt the update process. You finish by completing the initial setup and validating the install. Walk through the setup prompts, then confirm the build number in Settings right arrow General right arrow about to ensure you're on iOS 26. Test core apps, widgets, and key workflows. If you find issues, use the Feedback Assistant to report bugs with logs so Apple can act. If the device fails to boot or becomes unstable, put it into recovery mode and perform a restore via Finder or iTunes. This is the safest recovery method for boot-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.